So today was fun. We were learning about how to make coding cars.
First, we had many electrical parts and mechanisms that we had to investigate, and we had to try and work out which parts would make the car work.
I learned how to code a robot, and that's a new experience for me, so I enjoyed that.
We had to make sure that everything was working smoothly, and it required a lot of teamwork.
There were some failures, but we learned not to give up, and then in the end, we persevered and it worked.
I really appreciate that this company has come and given us this opportunity.
The volunteers who helped us, they were very supportive. They helped us when we were troubled by a few things, and it helped us a lot.
I think the program is very, very helpful because, for instance, I want to be a scientist, so it can help me later on when I get to secondary school, and I think it's going to really help me when I grow up.
And the more we learn, the more we can use in real life. So if we learn this could give us new job opportunities.
I think it is crucial to learn about STEM and sustainability because it helps us understand how our actions change the environment.
It's also about our daily lives and what we could do to help the environment, and we'd have a more sustainable mindset, and we'd see how we're much more capable than we think we are.